Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bánh bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà nụ ai? Ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Satu si mẹ ông cũng nữa. Mày nhớ thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chairman Jongga Green Tech Foundation upa H ban seudon nanglang ulah kernga daga pejubab AM ya ka jingker pat jong magister ban penkut no ya ka jingsha tangan ka ba klemput sngi ka bala kenjo menta sya ka sngi ka ba hendreu haka khat sau ter uyayong arja pendreu ban dawai ka sorkal jela bahkan pendam no ya ka jing IY ya ka daulen nong lum pongdeng hapung yam ka ba lai pendreu akar nakaliang jugi dekhot ka foundation kila kentu ya magister ba onra aktien sya ka sorkar ba ka foundation kan penkut ya ka jingsha tangan ka ba klemput sngi tang lada ka sorkar ka kloy ban pendam no ya ka jing IY ya ka daulen nong lum pongdeng la saki ba ki pai baru kila tuat sya ka sya tangan ban ai ka jingker sya ya chairman ba ki dekhot jong ka Green Tech Foundation hakni ka janmian UMLA ka not Shillong uba Delbert nongrum ulalek ban ai mensiam bat ban ai jingker sya ki dekhot jong ka foundation ki badang peteng ya ka jingsha tangan Hamadan Malki Hanong ba Shillong.
I'm sure it's something along the way because we have to make sure this has to start out. But you see, we are not taking a risk for his life. Please understand that. We're not taking a risk. Okay, I am not coming from tourism department or from anything else. This is just about condition. This thing long term can have ramifications on the body also. I think doctor here.
That's what we stand for. This is about long term of our generation.
Everybody has to take liability of it. It is the
Can we
government.
stick to the immediate interim topic first?
Tell them to go. I will not take communication. I will not take anything until and unless the government give us written the bill.
Can you at least stick to the medicines that they are requesting? No. But that will not be breaking your fast. No.
From day one,
That will not compromise anything that you are doing. But
It's for a future generation.
that is
But then see, at least the government hear us.
you have protested peacefully for days. Aside from us also, minsan bilang no one dan natin to minsan crunch man nata. No, government to my immediate superiors. I will
Masih
ensure
kecil
that.
minister, tidak kecil
Tawahan
minister,
ni.
condition. Kena masih benong, kekentiin sikit betul.
you've come here for his life, for his safety. I understand that, but who's going to take liability of that if it's not the government? So we just ask you and urge you. You've come here from the district administration. We respect that, but can you carry forward that message from our end also that we're not going to back down unless and until the government at least come to a solution. We're not here also to strictly oppose. Come to a solution. We're looking for constructive solutions here.
The only solution is seek to our demands. That's it. We'll call it off.
Just call upon the help. Just that. Nothing else. We're not asking for the entire 66 acres to be scrapped off. 36 acres of the island. That's it.
Come cut.
Nothing from there and from the government's end also. Make an attempt.
If they are serious enough, if they're serious about this life, serious about the subject matter, then
We will now wait
then
for the
we will take.
hospital doctor.
Minta what else? Government is being adamant. That's the answer.
It is not compromise anything.
Because you have to send this message to government, give us a written that they will stop the project and then I will go advance. Right now,
Yeah, why don't you have the medicine? We're not forcing you to eat. We're not forcing you to eat. There are some medicines which you need to do.
here to give us the call that the government is dealing.
I have taken the message. I am sure that media has come and given me the publicity. But right now, the only reason, the main reason, that I'm here is just right.
The agitation lah ni kan peaceful demonstration na kalian ke district administration dan juga syakil di Banuan Mi cuma aduk kasih ke Benengkong. Mulai aduk kasih ke Benengkong tak aduk mentah kasih ke Bandung. Kisawan Mi inang kwik inti yok let's say kiwan kumtaban pentip yang iba ka sarkar jela kelas ngap ya ki jing dawa ki jong pi bat namar be kilas okya ya kwat ya kya ke jong pi takadaw ki laweng no student ka project no tu lu pong nang hendrei kiwan pada kabor ban ong ba em ya pingim syak song su ang ning ra ne di hospital namar ba pimlong kani kade ke ngatai ka but ka ban pensngap jar biang sesisin ya kani ka sur ka jongi ka bangi dei ban yang hop halor ka nong ren pas camp kajingwan kejong i magistrate menen kaliang ka district administration di ong ba nomor ba let's say yo ka jur ka tak infection ke asmo pergi di tangki daw iyong ba kadon kam banra sa hospital kat kum ka medical examination ke bikilek ki doktor lawan arsin men step ban mentan jan mitru tigi iyong banra no ni nomor ba kimlong ban le hang ni nomor kubon ka tak infection ndrei Jerman jongi ru meneh hapor biginang man ilakren da sur ke basaya ki ba inum ki nang ni ong ta ong swai ka sarkar jela meklea pak de banweng no isdan ni project onda kilaweng ni nek pai da ka basuk sing kisam ki jongi halor ka kot ka kya ka jong i mta ka por janit kumni kalakam nangklot ka jing obor ka jong i but ki hajing sha ki bp ki sini ke eru ki la company dak hi bakadan ka jing tlot de ni susani abin tah ulai amar kani ka sarkar ka bamenti hajing sha ki la adai bandan kata ka jing solam namar ba chairman ni jong i lano maka ta ka jing yo obor ka jong i ka nang yak ki sini bor Tika deke ke bang atrai tang kajing duai hi kepala pan kersan ni hadu mentaru ko mau ong meneng kan pan aitin sarkar gidang kemi enti bakajingwan kajong magistrate meneng gidang mut bawan pan aitin ban ong ba ka sarkar jela kelas ngap ya pi kalai i kajing yele kajong ni ban khot bangin ya keren hendrei kiwan hang ni ki ong ba ya pi la de ban ra no ni ban kampan ai kata ka jing suan hospital kala pandai kataru namar ba nakaliang ini tebah ki trik ki jong kani ka sarkar mata ki persang ban wat jing tip sha kalong kumnu kata ka movement ndrei kelas kumbang i ban ka skin tong kelas dang ban plot ya kani ka movement jong ndrei kimla hadin nang tu kelas dang ban wo dong pat personally saya chairman jong katar kimla menta ki pat ba kelas sai ki lalong husiar ki latip sai kani ka issue ka bangira pat ka jing kata ka jong ka te ngangatai nakaliang ka sarkar jelaru kadahi ka jinglek menti ka jongkihi kadahi ka ek ba dan ba peniat chabi tan nanu ra ya kata ka baongan ba sintong ti kilas dang imat bansir kilas dang imat ban smith balik si gini kena plan kedai taki ki kena ki baki iki ong ma ki kena ki ba kumni kumtai hendeng ide kita ki samnarang ba ki bayang halor kanong ren idon la ka hok idon ki saki satar ki baskem ti imat de kata ka plasang ban smith yaki bat takadaw kabla penlong magistrate ru wan mi menta ka singi ka bahan riu jong kani ka jing sha jing et kan bupo hoi dawan tong ta si kambat
ti shut dong ban
nakaliang jing chairman ti ong ba ladalong kumno ru kade ka jing kitli ka jong ka sarkar jela nomor inum ki na kani ka jaka jakat bajia tat onda ka sarkar hi kaweng no sundan ni kani ka project bat petrik kami kata ka 5-star luxury project jang ki nang tinulong po